Hey friends, if you wish to turn off password protected sharing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through both the methods. So the first one is to search for control panel and then go to control panel. Now in the view by section, change it to either large icons or small icons but not category. So I'll select large icons. Then scroll down to network sharing. Okay, network and sharing center. Click on this and then select change advanced sharing settings. Expand this list for all networks and then you can turn off password protected sharing. Now for the second method, I'll turn it on once again and then I will right click on the start button, select settings. Now go to network and internet and then in the right pane select advanced network sharing settings and then advanced sharing settings, and you're on the same page. You can turn this off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.